Ever wonder why range can take 1, 2, or 3 inputs? I'm curious. If you are too, just keep staring at your screen. Don't scroll away. Range isn't actually a perfect example of this because the built-in functions are implemented in a different language, but it's the similar idea. So let's say we were going to write a function. It's how you sign your email, and we'll call it signature. So we could write def signature with input name, and then it would just print best, comma, new line, and then the name. Now, the issue is that this works most of the time, but sometimes if you're writing to a loved one, you might want to say love your name instead of best, because best is a little professional. We can fix that by adding another parameter in our list of inputs that's called sign-off, and we can have it equal best. And that means that that's its default value. If you don't include that value in your input to the function, you just write signature David, it'll say best. But you can add an additional input that is the sign-off. So you could say David, comma, love, or Lenny, comma, yours. Note that default parameters come after the non-default parameters, and you have to call it in the right order so that Python knows what to assign each value to which variable. You can also use the default parameter name, so you could say sign-off equals love, and that's fine as well. A lot of functions have hidden default parameters you don't even know about. For instance, think about print. It actually can take an unlimited number of parameters, and if you're wondering how that works, well, watch the next video. But now you can actually add another parameter after all of those you want printed with a special name called end. And in this case, you'd actually have to specify the name of the default parameter. This is what you want print to automatically print at the end of its line. By default, it prints a new line character, right? We always move to the next line. That's what the end is for. So we could write end equals 0, 0, 0, and instead of printing a new line at the end of print, it'll just print 3 zeros, which is kind of weird, but it's also cool that we can do that.